Now let's introduce the supporting software function of Jinko EMS 1000. There are 5 parts in total, including homepage, devices monitoring, alarm, strategy, report form, etc. Next, let's introduce the functional contents one by one. Firstly, we want to introduce homepage. This page is designed to help users quickly understand the station's real-time running status. First, we have station modeling. This module based on the actual connected devices to simulate the real energy flow. Next, it shows important devices' real-time data, and you can select a different day to see the historical data. And then it's the device status. It shows abnormal devices which are offline or on fault status. Here shows the station well-linked diagram and the real-time data of different devices and allows remote control of the device. Let's take PCS as an example. We can view real-time data for all PCS, which refresh every 15 seconds, and you can also remotely turn on or off and perform fault reset. All operations need an operation key for secondary verification to ensure safety. If you enter the details page, you can view the real-time data of all monitoring points on that device. In alarm list, we classify device alarms into 3 levels by severity: fault, which is the most critical, affecting station operation; alarm, also important that may affect operation; and finally notice, that needs attention only. The page displays real-time and historical alarms of device, as well as their corresponding start time and end time. This page involves setting the core operating parameters of the station, so you need to enter the operation key to access it to ensure safety. Currently, we have 4 strategy modes: local EMS control, platform control, grid dispatcher, and virtual power plant. For local and remote control, these 2 modes only differ in the control source. The corresponding parameters are the same. Let's take local control as an example. You can set daily energy storage operation strategies, anti-backflow indicators, demand limit values, device protection parameters, and perform operations such as black start and grid on and off switching. Grid dispatcher control supports setting parameters related to frequency regulation, AGC, ABC, and viewing historical dispatching records. Virtual power control supports connecting to Jinko and third-party VPP platforms to receive and execute VPP dispatching commands. In this demonstration, it is not in current scope. Historical record system support querying and exporting historical data of core devices. Take the battery rack report as an example. This page shows today's data for battery rack 1, including voltage, current, temperature, and SOC. Click the export button. You can select the different time intervals. And finally, export the data as an Excel file. Setting pages includes station information viewing and a full data export.